Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I am studying English.
Okay, do you read email every evening?
No,
No, I. Do you? No, I.
don't.
Right. What's he doing?
He is singing a song.
Okay, is she throwing a ball?
No, she isn't.
What are they doing?
They are riding a bicycle.
How many bicycles?
2 bicycles.
Also. Alright, now can you read to me? Go.
5.
Okay. SP, SP. So,
Spice.
Okay, next one.
Seal.
Okay, next one.
Soap.
Okay, next one. CL.
Cook.
So,
Cool.
blue.
Cool.
Okay, now can you read to me? Go.
The peacock has a blue neck and a yellow beak. It has a very long tail. The ostrich is a big bird. It has long legs and it has a long neck. It has a big body and a short tail. The kiwi has short legs and a long beak. It doesn't have wings and it doesn't have a tail. It's a funny bird.
Yay, good, okay.